Amazon products to keep your kids' room organized. These Lego brick boxes are perfect for storing Legos. They're super spacious, come in a bunch of different colors and sizes, and are even stackable. Plastic bins with handles are perfect for organizing toys, and they can easily be picked up and put away by little hands. These hangers with clips make getting dressed in the morning a breeze. I hang an entire outfit in one hanger, including any sweaters or jackets. That way there's no more digging through drawers, and he just has to grab one hanger when he wants to get dressed in the morning. If your little one is always bringing home artwork and you don't know what to do with it, these frames are the perfect solution. They open and close like books, and the glass is shatter resistant. Betty's all-in-one sets are hassle-free. You just simply zip them up and the bed is made.
If you have dead space in your closets, grab a set of these wire baskets to create more storage for smaller objects such as socks, hats, shoes, and toys. These baskets can be placed anywhere you need with no drilling or tools required. The set comes with adhesive wall mounts with hooks that can hold up to 20 pounds of weight each. These worked great in my toddler's closet, but you could also use them in your kitchen pantry, office, garage, or anywhere else throughout your home where you needed some extra storage.
This way of storing Lego bricks was just not working for us. After a great recommendation from a friend, we snagged these babies and now we're paying it forward to you. Modeled after the original Lego bricks, these are the perfect addition to any master builder's household, and for anyone that doesn't want surprise bricks on their bare feet. If you know, you know. These brick holders can actually build too. They are stackable, lightweight, and are BPA, phthalate, and PVC free. The 4 brick can hold 800 Lego bricks, where the 8 brick can hold 1600. They come in so many colors, primary, secondary, pastel, and neutral. They're bound to fit in any theme or any personal color choice.
I needed some extra storage in my toddler's room, so this is how I used a pantry organizer to accomplish that. In the months that we've lived here, we found ourselves running up and down the stairs all the time to grab little things that Dominic needs at nighttime or in the middle of the night. Maybe it was Tylenol or a topical medicine. So I wanted to find a way to be able to keep that stuff in his room, but in a way that he couldn't access it. I found this over-the-door organizer that even works with our 8-foot doors. You also can drill it into the door, but I wanted a little less permanent option. It has these wire baskets that you can adjust where you put them, and then I bought a couple extra organizers just to hold the small stuff. Now we have room for first aid items, sunscreen for getting him dressed in the morning, and the stuff we hope we never have to use, random things that are just nice to keep in the room but that he can't reach, and of course all the medicines that we find ourselves needing randomly. Not only can he not reach these items, but he also can't open his closet. Now we're organized and safe.